To begin with, what camera kit is, I have written it down here. It is to bring the lens to your browser. What is this supposed to mean? Okay, why are we even learning camera kit in the first place? Now, camera kit is an additional feature by Snapchat, by Lens Studio. They allow you to take your lenses outside of Snapchat. So, what is so far, whenever we publish on Lens Studio, we have two options to publish. One is three options. One is mobile, the second is web, and third is your camera kit. What we have been choosing so far is mobile and web. What is this supposed to mean? Mobile and web is supposed to mean that when you are publishing your lens, it's accessible on mobile. In mobile also, it is accessible in Snapchat only. Correct? Then you have web. Where is it available in web for you? If you randomly open one browser and you expect to see your lens there, it won't happen. Correct? You have to open Snapchat in the web, and then you'll have access to the lens that you are seeing, and you will have to use, for camera you'll have to use webcam basically. Okay, so this is the mobile and web option that we have been exploring right now with Lens Studio. The next option is camera kit. What is camera kit? Why is it even there in the first place? Is because, let's say you and I, we want to open a brand tomorrow where we would have our own website. And in my website, I have a collection which I have made only using Flow 3D. I have not made the garments yet. I've made a collection using Flow 3D. I've used AI and put a model in it, and everything is going well. Now, what if I suddenly want my customer to start experiencing AR with the same garment? That's what you've been studying so far, right? You went to Clo 3D, you learned how to make a garment, then you learned how to bring the Clo 3D garment to Lens Studio, and then bring it into a filter. Now, how about taking that filter to your website? Why is it necessary? Is because you cannot keep bringing your customer to Snapchat. Let's say you want your customer to experience your garment in augmented reality, which means in the form of lenses. In which case, you can't say to customer, please download Snapchat. As soon as you ask them to download another application, the sales is lost or the whole experience is lost, right? So what you would want is, you would want somebody to just open a link, and that link would be basically your website in which AR filter will be activated. And how do you bring the lens to your website instead of Snapchat is what camera kit is.